Growing short-cycle crops is a dynamic business. You want things to run smoothly without worrying about damaged dripper lines or unnecessary costs. Introducing Streamline X, the toughest thin-wall dripper line the field has ever seen, with a unique ribbed surface that protects the pipe. During installation, the line's extra tough exterior protects against friction damage, preventing the need to repair any installation-related cuts and leaks. The ribbed surface keeps the dripper line at a distance from any potential damage, so Streamline X is protected all season round. The world's best thin-wall drippers guarantee uniform flow and no clogging, offering a wide range of flow rates. It is the only thin-wall dripper line with a reinforced internal structure, which makes it even more robust. Streamline X is tough during installation and retrieval, with less breakages and minimum stops, saving you time and money. Don't settle for less than the best. Bring the toughest thin-wall dripper line to your field today. Streamline X.